everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add task in Quire. So let's Quire. I don't know how to read that. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click My Tasks and click here plus. When you're gonna do it, you just want to simply click right here, task 1 to 3, done, and voila, you do it like this. Pretty simple, pretty easy. I can simply add new task. "14, done." And voila, this is how we do it. What you can do, yep, so thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Goodbye.